Hi, I'm Dr. Martyna. I'm the head of the Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities in Access Courses Online, but I was also tasked with preparing the induction program for all of our Access students. So what is induction and why it is so important? First of all, we know that our students come back to education after some time. They come from different backgrounds, from different circumstances, and with different goals. So at the beginning, we will do a little bit of self-reflection, or we will ask you to do a little bit of self-reflection so that you contemplate your circumstances, your strengths, your weaknesses, academic or otherwise.